Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to permanently delete your Pinterest account. First, open the Pinterest app on your phone. Tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Now tap on the menu icon at the top left. From here, tap on Account Management. Next, tap on Delete Your Data and Account. Then tap Continue to proceed. Now select the reason why you want to delete your account. After selecting the reason, tap on Send Email. Pinterest will now send a confirmation email to your registered email address. Open that email from Pinterest. Tap on the confirmation link inside the email to approve the deletion. Once you confirm, your Pinterest account will be scheduled for permanent deletion. All your pins, boards, saved ideas, profile information, and activity history will be deleted. Your data cannot be recovered once the account is permanently removed. You will also lose access to all content linked to this account. If you do not confirm the email, your Pinterest account will remain active. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe to Guide Pro for more quick tutorials and fixes. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.